Be honest, Frank, are you nervous? Have you ever installed a TV this big?
This size, no. So competitors have slightly small TVs, but these guys take the cake.
Well, what are we doing? To my wall.
On your wall, over here. While we've got is we're popping in a recess box here. You got power, HDMI connections, Cat 6 for internet as well, and antenna for your free-to-air TV, especially to watch Channel 7's AFL. Now, moving the height of the TV, it'll sit at the top there. It'll finish around sort of hip height here, and yeah, not too long till we start hanging the thing.
You're a king.
Yeah, we try.
Perfect. They work and I drink coffee and just take videos, really. You're doing good, sweetie.
That's for you as always.
The footy?
Yeah.
For me? The sweet, sweet smell. Did I just sniff a Sharon? Yes, I just sniffed a Sharon. Make a good umpire.
Great.
Few balks.
Yeah, oh, you could.
You can never have enough footy. Ever. How good. All right, so we are unboxing the beast now. I don't even know how you actually unbox something this big and this heavy, but the boy's gonna get it done, no doubt about it. Right, Frank?
Yeah, don't forget.
Please don't let it fall. Is that little pipsqueak of a 55 in the way?
Feel sorry for me. Okay, box number 2.
It's a smaller box that was in the bigger box. It's like a little babushka doll, this television.
Now, there you go. Good? We all good?
Big exercise, this one. It's like a reveal.
It is. Would you like to lift it?
Yeah. Oh, not lift it.
No, join us. So easy to place it.
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
That means I've got to pull my footy down.
You know what managed that. Nice and easy.
Oh my God. Holy moly. And look at me next to it. I knew it was going to be big, but when you actually see it in person as well, it blows my mind.
Oh, yeah, hold on.
I don't want to let go of it.
No, you got it. It's okay.
Imagine. This TV has even got its own handles that you can put on and take off. That's very smart.
2, 3, up. So I'm going to take your clock when you're done. Sit down nice and easy.
Who needs a gym?
Ethan, phone
So
down.
excited. This is nuts.
Phone behind you. 2, 3, up. To the wall. Drop.
How is that even possible? The biggest TV in Australia and the first one ever installed. Now it's up. Stay tuned to see how it looks.